Shifting focus, ODM leader Raila Odinga has cautioned the church against entertaining politics in churches, saying the sacred places of worship should lead in castigating the government's wrongdoing. Raila Odinga, who was speaking in Bondo, Siaya County, faulted President William Ruto's administration for using the pulpit to execute government agenda. He was accompanied by the Siaya Governor, James Orengo.
Church will not be used as a political platform. We never go to the churches to go and play politics. But yet you have today the top leadership in the country. Every Sunday they're in this church, the church, shouting at us, oh, the government has done this, the government is doing this. Government programs should be given in government offices or political platforms, not in the churches. What happened on the 15th of August in our Brazil was shameful. When we saw the church standing in front of cameras and trying to sanitize a very flawed process.
The mechanism of subsidies was introduced in many areas in our economy, including fuel subsidies. Now the government in Nairobi must now live to this reality that 100 days are over. This journey is not going to be easy. If you're populist, the hustler fund is a populist agenda. It's not supposed to give people meaningful ways of trying to make lives bearable.
Well, stay with us. You're watching Checkpoint.